Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Wire nuts are essential components in electrical work used to join two or more wires together securely, but many homeowners and DIY enthusiasts often wonder if it is truly safe to reuse them once they have been removed from a connection. To understand if you can reuse a wire nut, you first need to look at how they are constructed internally because they usually contain a tapered metal spring that threads onto the copper conductors to create a tight mechanical and electrical bond. When you twist a wire nut onto wires, that internal spring expands slightly to grip the metal, and this process can sometimes permanently deform the spring or strip the plastic housing if too much force is applied during the initial installation. Most professional electricians and manufacturers generally recommend using brand new wire nuts for every single project because the cost of a new connector is incredibly low compared to the potential risk of a house fire caused by a loose or failing connection. If you look closely at the inside of a used wire nut and see that the metal threads are distorted, rusted, or filled with old debris, you should definitely throw it away immediately without hesitation. However, if the wire nut is clean, the plastic shell is not cracked or heat damaged, and the internal spring still looks perfectly conical and tight. Some people do choose to reuse them for temporary setups or non-critical repairs. You must always ensure that the wires are stripped correctly and that the nut grabs the copper firmly without wobbling or slipping off when you give it a firm tug test. Safety should always be your top priority when dealing with electricity. So if there is even a tiny bit of doubt about the integrity of a used connector, it is much smarter to grab a fresh one from the box. Taking shortcuts with electrical components can lead to overheating, arcing, or even catastrophic failure within your walls over time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful home improvement tips.